Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you all my recipe for curry potato with sardines. This recipe is going to be so easy and quick for you to put together, especially if you had a long day at work. So let's jump straight into this one. Let me show you how easy it's going to be, and I promise you it's going to be delicious. We're starting with a pot on medium heat, and to that I'm going in with my oil. I'm going to add in a few geera seeds and a few cumin seeds, and we're going to allow those seeds to toast until they're dark brown in color. Once dark brown, add in aromatics, so chopped onions, chopped pimento peppers, hot peppers if you wanted to. I put in some chopped red peppers, some scallions chopped and celery chopped. Season with salt and saute until the onion is tender. So this would take anywhere between a minute to 2. Next I'm going to go in with minced garlic and mix that in. I don't like to go in with the garlic first because it tends to burn really quickly. So just let that saute until the garlic is tender, and then add in your mild curry powder. I prefer mild curry powder. You guys can use a spicier curry powder if you like. And we're going to toast the curry on low for about 40 seconds until it feels grainy. When it feels grainy, then we'll go in with water to help the curry cook. You're going to add in your water, give that a mix, and allow it to come up to a simmer. It's going to continue to cook, and you'll notice how the curry will start thickening. Now just before that happens, I'm going to add in some green seasoning, and I'll just mix that in. Allow it to continue to cook. It should take anywhere between a minute to 2, and then this is what you're looking for. The curry has thickened and the oil starts separating from the curry. Now it's time to add in your peeled and chopped potato. Season with some salt and toss. You're going to coat the potato in that curry, and we're going to allow this to saute or fry up in here. Let that curry really coat the potato pieces and flavor the potato pieces. This is actually locking in a lot of flavor. So we're going to let that sit there and cook for about 5 minutes. After which you'll add in water. You want to add just enough water to cover the potato and bring it up to a simmer. Allow it to cook until the potatoes are tender. In the meantime, let me show you the sardine that I'm using. These are the new Brunswick Sardine Fillets. They come pre-cleaned for you. We have spring water, soya with hot peppers, tomato basil, smoked, and spring water. I'll be using the spring water. The spring water has no added salt, so it's perfect for if you're watching your salt content. And all you have to do is open it from the paper wrapper and open your tin. Once you open your tin, you can see that the fillets are cleaned for you. So all you have to do is just dump it straight out of that can. How easy is that? So I'm going to add it to my potato here. You can see the potatoes are nice and tender and the sauce has thickened. Just empty the tin straight into the pot. That's how easy it is to use this new sardine. Now if you want, you can squeeze some lime juice over the sardine, and then be very gentle. You don't want to over break up the pieces. You still want to see the sardine in there. And I went ahead and I cut the pieces into a half. And you're just going to let it warm through for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then this will be ready to be served. I like to top it off with some chopped parsley or chopped shad benny to finish. You want to taste and adjust your salt. And how beautiful was this? It's so easy, so quick to put together, especially if you don't have a lot of time. So I hope you guys give this new sardine a try, give the recipe a try. Comment down below, let me know what you think. Remember, you can find it at all of your leading supermarkets in Trinidad and Tobago. Thank you all so much for joining me today. To remember to stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.